Hello students, welcome to the fifth lecture on the lecture series on discount. Okay, in previous lecture we were doing some previous year questions, and what we will do in this lecture is we will continue to do so that we could get some more questions which are actually exam relevant. Okay, that actually tells us the level of questions that are actually being asked in the exam. Okay, so let's go forward and start this lecture. So this will be the fifth lecture and we will be doing previous year questions. So problem number 1. So the mark price of a ceiling fan is what? 1200, and shopkeeper allows a discount of 5% on it. Okay. So then the selling price of the fan is what? Okay. Is it 1410 or is it 1400 or is it 1140 or is it 1104? Okay. So since the mark price is equal to what? 1200, okay, and we have a discount of 5%. So it will be 0.95 into 1200. Okay, because the remaining amount will be 95%. So this is equal to 95 by 100 into 1200. So cancelling the zeros from the numerator and denominator, what we are left with is this much, that is 1140, right? So let's see by this method, that is we calculate the discount percentage, that is 5%. So selling price will be 95 by 100 into 1200 is equal to 1140. So let's see the problem number 2. So if the successive discounts be 20, 10 and 5%, then the equivalent rate of discount is what? So this question has been appeared in SSC CGL first sitting 2016 paper. Okay. So A option tells us that it is 31.6%. B option tells us that it is 31.5. C tells us 31. D tells us 31.4. So let's see which among these four is actually the correct one. Okay. So how we'll approach this question? So we'll approach this question via the method that we have already learned for successive discounts. So if you have A% and B% as successive discounts, okay, their order may be different, but the formula remains the same. So it will be A plus B minus AB by 100. Okay, so this much percentage. So this will be equal to what? So let's take this as A and B for this case right now. Okay, so this will be 20 plus 10 minus 200 by 100. Okay, so in percentage this become 28%, because this will be 30 and this will be 2, right? So 30 minus 2 is equal to 28. Okay, so we have 28%. Okay, now we have successive discount of 5%. So let's treat right now A is equal to 28 and B is equal to 5, and let's evaluate it again. Okay, so A plus B is equal to 28 plus 5 minus 28 into 5 by 100, this much percent. So this will be how much? This will be 33 minus 28 into 5 is equal to what? 40. So 140 by 100. So this will be 33 minus 14 by 10 is equal to 33 minus 1.4. So this will be equal to what? So this will be equal to 31.6, right? So 31.6% will be the correct answer. So option number A that you can see right here is the correct one, that is 31.6. So option C, B and D, these questions are all wrong. So this question has been appeared in SSC CGL first sitting of 2016 paper. Okay, so let's go forward with the step-by-step solution. So for 3 discounts, that is 20%, 10% and 5%. Okay, so now take 28% and 10%. So 20 plus 10 is equal to what? So 20 into 10 by 100, that equal to 30 minus 2 equal to 28%, as we have already seen right here. Okay, so now take 28% and 5% and use this formula again, A plus B minus AB by 100, right? This much percent. So it will be 28 plus 5 minus 28 into 5 by 100. This you got 33 minus 1.4, that is nothing but 31.6. So this is the correct answer here. Okay, so let's see problem number 3. So an article which is marked at 795 rupees is actually sold for 897. Then the discount percentage will be what? So this question has been appeared in SSC CGL first sitting 2015 paper. Okay, so article is marked at how much? So it is marked at 975 and is sold for this much. So discount amount is equal to what? 975 minus 897 is equal to 78 rupees, right? So how much is 78 rupees of this much amount? Okay, so discount percentage is equal to, so discount percentage is equal to discount amount, that is 78 by cost price, that is 975. 975 into 100, right? So this will be how much? So let's see. So 975 into 100 minus x by 100 is equal to 897. So this implies that 100 minus x is equal to 89700 by 975. So this will be 7800 by 975. That is equal to nothing but 8%. So it will be 8%. So 8% will be the correct answer. Okay. So let's see problem number 4. Okay. For a single discount equivalent to a discount series of 10%, 20% and 25%. Again, this is a similar kind of questions. That is, we have the formula for two successive discounts, that is A% and B%. And their equivalent percentage becomes what? A plus B minus AB by 100, right? So this much amount of percentage. So it will be 10 plus 20 minus 200 by 100%, right? So this much percentage equal to what? 30 minus 2%, that is equal to 28%. So 28%, then simultaneously 25%. So 28 plus 25 minus 28 into 25 by 100. Okay. So this will be the final equivalent percentage. So it is what? It will be 53 minus. So this will be 25 into 8 is equal to what? 200, and 25 into 20 is equal to 500. So it will be 700. 700 by 100. So 53 minus 7 is equal to how much? It is 46%, right? So 46% will be the correct answer here. Okay, so this question has been appeared in SSC CGL first sitting 2015 paper. So what we did was we applied A plus this formula to first these two terms, and whatever we got, that was 28%. Then we assumed this as A and this as B, and then we solved again it. Okay, then applying that process again, what we are left with is 46%. So this is the correct answer. Option B, C and A, these are all wrong answers. Okay, so 46% is the correct answer. So by the step-by-step solution, after applying 10% discount, 100 becomes what? 90. And then after applying 20% discount, 90 becomes, and observe here, we applied successively. So the 20% discount is actually applied on 90 rupees, right? Then it goes back to 72 rupees. And then we apply 25% discount on 72. So how much will be it? So it will be 14.4 plus 3.6, that is equal to 17, 18, right? So 18. So 72 minus 18 is equal to 54. So it goes back to 54 rupees. So from 100, we are selling it for 54 rupees. So the discount will be what? 46%, right? That is 100 minus 54 is equal to 46%. So 46% is the correct answer. So you have seen here. So we have done it by the formula method, that is method 1. And here it is has been done in the individual method, that is method 2. By taking the amount to be 100 initially, then applying the discount successively, we arrive at a number and we subtract it from 100 to get the final percentage or equivalent percentage. Okay. So let's go forward with problem number 5. So allowing 20% and 15% successive discounts, the selling price of an article becomes 3060, right? So then the mark price will be what? Is it 4400, 5000, 4500 or 4000? So this question has been appeared in SSC CGL second sitting 2015 paper. Okay. So 20% and 15% successive discount. So its equivalent discount will be what? 20 plus 15 minus 20 into 15. So 20 into 15 by 100. So this will be equal to 35 minus 20 into 15 is equal to what? 300, right? By 100. So this will be 32. Okay. So 32% is the equivalent percentage of these two successive discounts. Okay. So price of the article becomes this much amount. Okay. Then the mark price will be what? So after this much discount, how much price is remaining? So 68% is equal to 3060. So this implies that 1% is equal to 3060 by 68, right? So this implies that 100% is equal to 100% is actually equal to 3060 by 68 into 100, right? So let's see which among these four is actually correct. Is it 4400, 5000, 4000 or 4500? Okay, so selling price of the article is 20% and 15% successive discounts into mark price of that article. Okay, so 3060 is equal to 80 by 100 into 85 by 100 into mark price of that article. So it will be 3060 into 100 into 100 by 80 into 85, that is equal to 4050 rupees. So 4050, 4500. Actually here is a slight mistake here. Okay, so it will be what, cancelling a 0 out from here and here, what we are left with is 4500. Okay, let's see problem number 6. So the mark price of an watch is 720 rupees. So a man bought the same for what, 550.80. So after getting two successive discounts, the first being 10%, the second discount rate is what? Okay, it tells us that the mark price of the watch was this much amount and a man bought the same for this much amount. So discount amount is equal to 720 minus 550.80, right? So it will be what? It will be 550, so it will be 170, 169.20. Okay, so this much is the discount amount. Okay, so what is the discount percentage? Okay, so the discount percentage will be 169.20 by 720 into 100. Okay, so what we are left with is this much amount, that is equal to multiplying it by this. So what we are left with is 1692 by 72. Okay, so let's divide it by 2. So it will be 846 rupees. Okay, and the denominator will become what? It will become 36 rupees, right? So what we can do next is we can always further divide, that is 423, and this will become 18. Okay, so this is equal to 423 by 18%. Okay, so this much amount of discount is there. So this much is the cumulative discount. So cumulative discount. Then let's calculate what is the second discount, that is after applying 10% discount, what will be the second discount. We can put the formula a plus b percent minus ab by 100. Okay, so we are given 10 here. Okay, and let the other be x, so it will be 10x. So this will be equal to 423 by 18, right? So then further what, solving for x, that is solving the equation what, 10 plus x, so it will be 423 by 18 minus what, 10 is equal to, so it will be 0.9x. So this implies that x is equal to 10 by 9 into 423 by 18 minus 10. Okay, so this will be the correct answer. So x will be this much amount. Okay, so the second discount will be this much. So let's go forward with the step-by-step solution. So let the second discount be x%. Then 100 minus x% of 90% of 720 is equal to 550.80. So 100 minus x by 100 into 90 by 100 into 720 will be what? 55,080 rupees. So dividing it by 100, what we are left with is 85, right? So 100 minus x will be 85. So x is equal to what? 100 minus 85 is equal to 15%. So 15% will be the second successive discount that is being applied to get the price back from 720 to 550.80. So let's see problem number 7. So 10% discount and 20% discount in succession is equivalent to what? So we'll use the formula a plus b minus ab by 100. Okay, to get the equivalent percentage. So it will be 30 minus 200 by 100, that is equal to 30 minus 2, that is equal to 28%. Okay, so among option A, B, C and D, only D is correct. B, C and A, these are all incorrect answers. So the question has been appeared in SSC CGL second sitting of 2015 paper. So let's go forward the step-by-step solution. So successive discounts can be given by x plus y plus xy by 100. So this is the variables are just changed. So a plus b plus minus AB by 100. Okay, this is how we calculate it. So there is a slight printing mistake here. There must have been a negative sign here. Okay, so minus 10 minus 20 plus minus 10x minus 20 by 100 is equal to minus 30 plus 2 is equal to 28%, right? So hence the successive discount is actually equal to 28%. So let's see problem number 8. So after allowing a discount of 20%, a radio is actually available for 1200. Then its mark price was what? So 0.8x is equal to 1200 is given to us. This implies that x is equal to what? X is equal to 1200 by 8 into 10. So it will be what? So it will be by dividing it by 4, what we are left with is this is 2 and this is 3000, right? So 3000. This is equal to 30,000. So it will become 300 and then it will become 300 by 2. 3000 by 2. That is equal to 1500. So 1500 will be the correct answer here. So this question has been appeared in SSC CHSL second sitting of 2015 paper. So among these 4 options, only option A is correct. So let's see problem number 8. So after allowing a discount of 20%, a radio is actually available for 1200 rupees. So its mark price was what? So mark price is equal to selling price into 100 by 100 minus discount percentage is equal to 1200 into 100 by 100 minus 20 is equal to 300 into 5. That is equal to 1500. Okay, so 1500 is the correct answer. So let's see problem number 9. So successive discounts of 20% and 10% are equivalent to what? So 20 plus 10 minus 200 by 100. This will be what? 30 minus 2 is equal to 28%. So this question is very repetitive and this has been come very often. Okay, so just remember the formula A plus B minus AB by 100. That is when you are given two successive discounts, their equivalent discount will be this much amount. Okay, so there is a negative sign here. Okay, this won't be positive. So the answer will be 8. So this is the correct answer. B, D and C. These are all wrong answers. Okay. So let's see the step-by-step solution. So equivalent discount of two successive discounts is equal to A plus B minus A into B by 100. So 20 plus 10 minus 200 by 100 is equal to what? Is equal to 28%. Okay. So let's see problem number 10. A house was actually sold for Y rupees. Then by giving a discount of X%, then the list price was what? So this question has been appeared in SSC CHSL first setting 2015 paper. Okay. So which among these 4 tells us the answer for this? That is the list price. Okay. House was sold for Y rupees by giving a discount of X%. Okay. So 100 minus X, okay, by 100 is equal to Y. Okay. So this implies that. So what we have here is it was sold for Y. Okay. So this implies for solving for X, what we are left with is 100 minus X is equal to. So we want the list price, right? So listed price will be what? So 100Y is equal to 100 minus X. Okay. So let the list price be Z. So sale price is equal to Z into 100 minus X by 100. So Z will be what? 100Y by 100 minus X. So this will be the correct answer. So let's see problem number 11. A trader marks his goods at 20% above the cost price, but allows his customers a discount of 10 rupees. So the CP, that is the cost price of a blackboard, which is sold for 216 rupees, is equal to what? So this question has been appeared in SSC Sub Inspector 2015 exam. So option A tells us it's 200, B tells us 180, C 108, and D 196. So let's see which among these 4 is actually correct. Okay. So it marks its goods at 20% above the CP. Okay. So MP is equal to 1.2 CP because it marks its goods 20% above the CP, but allows its customers a discount of 10%. Okay. So after 10% discount, so SP is equal to what? 0.9 of MP. That is equal to 0.9 of CP. MP, that is 1 into 1.2 CP, right? So the CP of a blackboard which is sold for this much amount. Okay, so this implies that 216 is given to us 0.9 into 1.2 into CP. So CP is the only unknown here. So CP is equal to what? 216 by 0.9 into 1.2. So this is equal to nothing but 216 into 100 by 9 into 12. Okay. So solving this, what we are left with is, we have left with 200 rupees. Okay. So let's go forward with the step-by-step solution. So mark price is equal to 20% above the CP. So this will be 1.2 of CP. So discount is 10%. So selling price will be this much, that is 0.9 into 1.2 into CP, that is 1.08 CP. So SP is equal to 216, that is given to us. So solving for CP will be very easy by taking it to the left hand side. That is where we put all the unknowns and we take all the known values in the right hand side. So what we are left with is 200 rupees. So let's see problem number 12. Okay, so a dealer of a scientific instrument allows 20% discounts on the marketed price of the instruments and still makes profit of 25%. If his gain over the sale instrument is 150 rupees, find the mark price of the instrument. So this question has been appeared in SSC CGL first sitting 2014 paper. Okay, so option A tells us that it is 938.50. Option B tells us that it is 940. Option C tells us that it is 938. And option D tells us that it is 937.50. So let the mark price of the instrument be X. So selling price is equal to what? X minus 220 by 100X is equal to 0.8X. So cost price will be CP plus 25 by 100 CP is equal to 0.8X. So solving it for X, what we are left with is X is equal to 25 by 16 is equal to into CP. Okay, so given that 25 by 100 CP is equal to 150, this is what given. So CP can be calculated as 600 rupees. Okay, so mark price is equal to 25 by 16 into CP, that is 600 in this case. So it will be 937.50. So 937.50 is the only correct answer here. All these option B, C and A, these are all wrong answers. Okay, so let's see problem number 13. A shopkeeper allows a discount of 10% on goods when he sells without credit. Okay, so cost price of his goods is 80% of his selling price. So if he sells his goods by cash, then his profit is what? So this question has been appeared in SSC CGL first sitting 2014 paper. So is it option A, B, C or D? So let's figure out which among these four is actually correct. So let the marketed price of the goods be 100 rupees. So selling price of the goods will be what? 100 minus 10 by 100 into 100. So this is nothing but 90. So cost price would be what? It will be 72. How? 80 by 100 into 90. That is the what? So profit on goods will be 90 minus 72 is equal to 18 rupees. So profit percentage is equal to what? Profit amount by cost price into 100. So cost price is 72. Profit amount is 18. So it will be 25%. So 25% is the correct answer here. Okay, so that's enough for now. Thank you.